Welcome back to our social series of class 10th Telangana State Board. So dear students, this is our chapter 4 climate of India, and we are going to see all the important questions which is related to this chapter. Okay, actually this in this one there is a most repeating questions also which already come in our Telangana State Boards. Okay, so don't miss this chapter. In this chapter every question is important. Okay, so if you really want to be practice, so you can practice these questions. So this is the notes, and I will upload the notes also after the few days. So let's see the first of all. So this is a questions it is given here. So first of all we are going to see the multiple choice question. Actually, if you need for the practice, I have a lot of book for the Telangana State Boards. Okay, like a lot of book, lot of practice aids, lots of questions. I can give you thousands of questions also from the one single chapter. I can give you 200 MCQ from one chapter and more than 300 questions I can give you from this chapter. But you know, all or actually knowledge is good thing. Okay, but if you're practicing like which can question come, so these are the most repeating questions. In the short term, you know, smart work. In the short term you will revise everything in this chapter. Okay, so let's see. So these are the questions which you already seen here. Okay, so wheat crop is generally cultivated in the season of Kharif, Rabi. Actually, you know, I don't know about Kharif, Rabi and that. Actually, till now it is a confusing for me. But well, it is our economic chapter. Not it is a geography chapter. Okay, I'm sorry. So here you can see. Okay, so till here if it is clear to you, then I will move to this one. So here the two short question is there which is very important about it. Difference weather and climate. So you have to tell about what is the difference between the weather and climate, etc. Write two slogans on the importance of afforestation. Okay, this is a very important, it can ask you also. Then after short type answer, what do you mean by the streams? Okay, I don't think about it. Give the some suggestion for decrease the global warming. This is also important, it can ask you in the 4 marks, otherwise it can ask you in the long marks. Okay, remember this. So these are the easy types question. Explain the climate controls of the forest and affect climate. How do the human activity causes global warming? This is also important. Okay, remember this one. This type of things you have to remember. Explain the mechanism. Okay, no problem. Analyze the climatograph of Leh and Chennai. Okay, leave it. So well, in this one, you know, till in this one, these are the 1 2 3 4 questions. This 4 questions is important in this one. Actually, if you practice these questions from this chapter only, these questions only have to come in your board examination of Telangana. Otherwise from this one no one going to come. This is my guarantee. Okay, and I hope this chapter is very clear to you, and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding to this one. Well, if you have any kinds of doubt, then just leave a comment and I try to give the reply to that one. And if you're looking for the other subjects important questions and lecture, then definitely you will, in description there's a link of the social, you can check out. Otherwise you go to our channel, click on the playlist, and you will find all the playlist series there. Okay, I hope you will understand, and if you like this video, share with your friends, and whenever you want to share it, share that. Okay, so let's meet on the our next chapter. Jai Hind.